I just don't want to touch it because it looks icky.
That came from Schnucks. Pull it out, we're good. So everything that you have, right, in front of you, you can touch. I would actually encourage you to. There are these things called sinks and soap that allow you to wash your hands afterwards, right? We have some gloves. After you've rinsed it probably multiple times, really try to get as much of the salt off of it as you possibly can. Try to find one of the ends, and this is going to be a little bit disgusting. Try to stick maybe your pinky and try to separate it out, right? And then we'll try to...
Like open it?
Yeah, like open it, and then we're going to try to cut it lengthwise.
I'll clean it.
You're not that off and flatten it out like you did, and it might be good if you just take your finger, dip it in the water, and put a drop of water on your slide.
Ganey, what is this? You want some?
And these are the ligaments and the tendons, I'm sorry, that attach to them.
I'm going to stop using it. I'll get inside of it. You can touch it. It's not bad. I'm not touching that, but I can just over inside.
Figure it out. When you look, do you see how thick this part of the heart is?
Hella thick.
I could think of better terms, but I would sure. That has to be that way because this is the part of the heart that pushes the blood all over the body. Remember, gravity works even in our bodies. What is it, right? I have two of them. It's going to ask you, how do we name the top? How do we name the bottom? How do we name the right and the left? Okay, when we start thinking about things from a true anatomical perspective. I have some terminology like dorsal and ventral. You might have to look that up to figure out what it means.
Is this a tongue? It could be a tongue, right? It's like a cow tongue. I don't know. I'm gonna use my research.
They are crossing in a lot of different ways. So when we look at it under the microscope, you Google a picture of skeletal muscle. You're going to see like lines. This is not going to look like that, right? Because the function of this skeletal muscle is different. Form fits function, right? So when we look at this, you don't see a lot of nuclei, but you see a couple, right? Different cells have different jobs, right? And so when we think about the body as a whole, understand that when we're studying the kidney, the cells of the kidney are going to look and act differently than the cells of a muscle, right? And so in human body, we're going to talk about the structures, the anatomy, and then we're going to talk about the function, the physiology. How does it do what it does, right? So when we think about us being able to stick our tongue out at someone, or us being able to make a U out of our tongue, there's an announcement about dual credit info. And if I click on it, there's a link. And on this link is the document that Mr. Harcharik emailed to everybody.